Good evening, crypto investors, and welcome to another video. I apologize for not having posted anything over the weekend. I was just out living life, But today I have a very special crypto to show you. One of my favorites in terms of ROI potential. An extremely high quality crypto, Filecoin. Showing you the charts first. Filecoin with a previous all-time high of $240 and a current price of just over $5. When we take our ruler and measure from the current price to the previous high, going from the body or to the wick, I probably wouldn't use this wick because that was some just crazy volatility, but I think it's very possible we retrace to these highs. Currently 45x away. 45x means for every $100 invested, if that price is returned to $4,500 are made. For every $1,000 invested, $45,000 are made, and for $10,000, almost $500,000 are made. Here's entry points like this which make you rich. A lot of people keep telling me, they keep asking me, so you think we're going to bounce back then? You think it's possible? Guys, a lot of these guys were buying cryptos up at these prices. Oh, it's had a little pullback, it started to come up again, let's buy. And then it's tanked. And now they're waiting for price to go 20x from current price just so they can break even again. They're thinking, oh my god, it needs to get back to this price so I can get my money back. If they think it's going to go back to that price, why not 20x some more money on the way there? Then break even on your current holdings, then make even more money as it progresses. I will be closing at the high from this position. As you can see, I've got a lot of cryptos in my list. I do not hold all of them right now. I do have long-term positions. I also have trading positions. I will be out of Filecoin by 45x. Why is Filecoin so great? Filecoin is a decentralized storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. Centralized storage solutions are susceptible to attack in one place. Filecoin has several hundred miners, making it decentralized, meaning that it is safer, far safer as a network of storage as it cannot be attacked in one location. Filecoin compares itself to Airbnb, selling data storage spaces which otherwise would go unused, and the CEO, Juan Bennett, is also the CEO of Protocol Labs and the IPFS and has extreme expertise in data storage sector. But what is going on with Filecoin right now? Before I tell you that, guys, I just want to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. My job, I do not see my job as informing you about every single thing about a project. What I only aim to do is to put these opportunities on your agenda so that you can go and do your own research. I like Filecoin. I believe Filecoin will make me lots of money. But it's for you to go and do your own research and decide for yourselves whether you think that the 45x potential return is worth the risk based on the quality of the asset. What is going on right now with Filecoin, and why do I believe it is a great investment right now at these prices? Filecoin takes blockchain filing to new levels with Lockheed Martin partnership. Lockheed Martin is the world's largest defense contractor. It is one of the largest companies in the aerospace, military support, security and technologies industry, based in Washington, D.C., employing approximately 115,000 employees worldwide. Half of the corporation's annual sales are to the U.S. Department of Defense. Lockheed Martin do a lot of things, guys. I'm just giving you the outline. We're not investing in Lockheed Martin. I'm just trying to tell you guys, if you type in Lockheed Martin onto Google and see what a big player they are. I almost swore there, guys. What a big player these guys are. You'll realize that the fact that they're partnering with a little crypto company is a big deal. Filecoin's new partner will help the network launch a node into space. To create a space-accessible file-sharing network, the two companies say the collaboration will further the push towards a space economy, trading at particularly high volumes in the wake of the announcement. You've got to remember, guys, that some of these cryptos are doing nice things, great things in the background, but the price is low because Bitcoin's price is low, because every crypto is low. Nothing's doing well right now. Stocks are down, cryptos are down, indices are down, everything is down. It's dragging it all with it. Inflation is high. The economy, the world economy, is approaching disaster. Sometimes prices don't reflect quality, prices reflect whatever else is going on in the world. These are just great opportunities, in my opinion. Let's carry on reading. The World Economic Forum, WEF, annual meeting in Davos, Switzerland is turning out to be a big one for blockchain. It's turned into be a big meeting for space technology. These two fledgling sectors are bridging together this week thanks to two of the largest players in each respective space, blockchain player Filecoin and defense contractor Lockheed Martin. On the New York Stock Exchange, are teaming up on projects that seek to improve file sharing in remote locations, while typically catering more to traditional finance. This year's WEF meeting sees attendees talking all things blockchain, talk of crypto regulations, remittances, and central bank digital currencies. Meanwhile, it looks like projects are taking the event as an opportunity to unveil new, ambitious projects. Filecoin's announcement is one of the most interesting thus far. Apologies, guys. The Filecoin network focuses on storage. Its unique decentralized model of storing files has made it one of the most notable crypto projects in recent years. The network allows users to lend their unused hard drive space to others where they can store their data. A crypto incentive model rewards storage lenders with the Feel crypto, allowing users to generate passive income through their goodwill. That's something you'll have to look into, guys. I'm holding my Filecoin at the moment, starting to accumulate it. I will be looking into how to earn passive income from it as time goes by. I'm relatively new to owning Filecoin and I have not done this yet, but this should be enough to let you know that you can earn passive income through Filecoin. And now is looking to take this model to a new frontier space. The two companies are teaming up to develop a mission demonstrating Filecoin's interplanetary file system away from Earth. Essentially, guys, this crypto network, Filecoin, a company which has stood the test of time and been around in the crypto space for many years now, having an all-time high price of $225 long before this came about, is now partnering with the largest defense contractor in the world, one of the largest companies in aerospace, military support, security, and technologies. And together they are sending a satellite into space to have an interplanetary file system, away from Earth. It seems like a big deal to me, guys. That's basically all I've got to say about this crypto today. As I have said, I'm not here to tell you every single thing about every single crypto. I'm just here to put them on your agenda so you can do your own research. But I think information like this alone is enough to put this on your radar, is enough to make you consider taking a look at Filecoin at these current prices. 45x on your money. Remember what I said about compound interest in my other video? If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend you go and check it out. You make a 45x 2 times in a row. I don't even know what that is, guys. Let me type that in on my calculator right quick. 45 times 45 is 2000x on your money. You pull this one, you find something else. The likelihood that you're going to get 2 in a row is tough. It's tough. Even if you took a 45x and went and got a 5x after that, you're looking at nearly 250x on your money. These things should definitely be on your agenda. You should definitely be preparing for them, guys. Anyway, guys, that is all for today. Filecoin can be purchased on Binance, Huobi, Coinbase and KuCoin, some of my favorite exchanges, all of my favorite exchanges. I'm not a massive fan of Coinbase, but for those of you that are new, it is probably the most easy to use. And if you can use my link in the description to go and purchase your fill, if you decide to purchase it, that would be greatly appreciated. Currently trading at an average price of $5.25. Guys, I hope this video has been useful to you today. If it has been, I appreciate if you hit that like button. And be sure to subscribe, as I'll be posting undervalued cryptos, high quality undervalued crypto gems all throughout this bear market, preparing you for riches in the bull market, preparing myself alongside you for riches when the bull market comes. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch these videos, and I will see you in the next one.